Hey guys, it's your girl Simply Lebz and I'm back with another video. I know I look, but we're gonna get it together. Thank you so much guys. If you're returning subscribers, hey, thank you for bearing with me. I know I've been gone for a very long time. I don't have any excuses. I'm gonna jump into this video so that I don't waste any more of your time. If you're a new subscriber, hey girl, hey, welcome to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed the contents that I've had for the past few months and you're all caught up now. If you are a new viewer, I hope you subscribe and join the family. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I made a video last year of me showing you my Revlon dryer. I used it once and it was last year December, I think. We're now in April, so I have not blow dried my hair ever since then, because there was no need, and I don't really like blow drying. I thought since I have my own I would, I'd blow dry my hair more often. That has not happened. I'm really a lazy natural. All that said, I'm trying to get my hair done because I'm rushing to go get my hair braided. It's like 9:30 now, so hopefully I should be done in the next 15 minutes. It really is that quick because yeah, it's very quick. It's a quick process, but I'm gonna be in a rush because I want to get my hair braided today. Hopefully they can take me in. It's a new salon that I'm trying out. Hopefully the braids come out good. We'll talk about that in the next video because I'm going to be vlogging. Let's just get into it. So the products that I'll be using, obviously it will be the Revlon dryer. I will be using a Tresemme heat protectant, and because it's me, I broke it on the first day, so I've transferred some of it into this bottle. So if you see me spraying my hair with this, it's the heat protectant, and then in this spray bottle I've just got water, and then I'm not sure, I might use my detangling comb, my white tooth comb, and my purple hair comb. I'm not sure if I'll use it. And then just these clips that I got from Clicks as well. If you have questions about where I got these things, I will list them in the description box for you to see where I got them, and I might add the prices. I'm not sure, I'm not promising anything. So let's just get into it because your girl needs her hair to be done. I washed my hair, I want to say I washed it 2 days ago. So today is Saturday. I washed it on Thursday and it's still wet. Yeah, it's still wet. I'm gonna start with the back section so that it's easier for me. I am just going to, I don't know if this is correct, I'm just going to take down these twists because I have my hair in twists. Yep, my hair is definitely wet. And I'm being gentle on my hair. Yes, I'm in a hurry, but it might look like I am being rough on my hair, and I'm not. I'm just gonna separate the curls. I might fast forward this part. I'm gonna do one section right now so that you guys see it in real time, how long it takes for me to be done with this section, and then I will fast forward when I do the rest of my head, and then I guess we'll see the end results before I rush to get my hair done. I know that I owe you guys a Q&A video. I have not forgotten about that. So yeah. So this will be my second time blow drying my hair ever since I've gone natural. And already you can see it's shrinking up. So my hair is two different types of texture. My hair by the ends here, the lower parts, is a different hair type to the rest of my hair here, and you can really see the distinction, kind of. Okay, because this is sort of separated. I keep looking down because I've got my mirror down here. So this is the section that I'll be working with right now. Just gonna spritz some heat protectant. I don't know if it's just me, but I only discovered like heat protectants when I started watching YouTube videos, like the natural hair girls, because girl, they had never used the heat protectants at the salons that I used to go to when I was younger. If anything, you'd just see a whole lot of smoke in the salon, and that would be your hair burning. So for me, I'd rather do this myself at home, and I just go to the salon and get my hair done. I will not allow them to put any gel on my hair, any more heat, any moisturizers, because my hair is moisturized. I did that by myself. Here at home, I know the products that I put in my hair. I know the products that my hair likes. So yeah. And then it's got this is not really a review on the Revlon dryer. This is me just blow drying my hair. It's got 3 settings. I'll put it on the highest setting. Girl, I do not have time to be wasting time, so it's gonna be, yeah, let's just get it started. And that's it. This is the section, and if you noticed, the brush literally glides through. I had forgot to mention that I did detangle my hair before washing it, whilst I was washing it, and after washing it when I was moisturizing my hair. So that's why it's not snagging on anything. It's detangled, and the blow dry is just doing its job. It's that easy, guys. Like, I'm so happy with the results, but because I'm in a rush to go get my hair done, I'm just gonna zoom through this video, and then I guess we'll see how it looks. Okay, that is one section done. If you can see in real time, this one section took me like about 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of my head and then I'll come back when I am maybe on the last section. Also, another thing, I haven't gotten my hair professionally trimmed or anything. What I did is I just ordered a pair of shears, which are hair scissors off Take-A-Lot, and whenever I wash my hair, I just, after washing it and moisturizing it and twisting it, I usually just trim off the ends by myself. I'm not a professional, I don't know what I'm doing, but I am trimming my hair. And yeah, that's what I usually do. So even now, the last time I trimmed my hair was a Thursday after washing it. This is how half of my hair looks. It's very fluffy and airy, and my scalp, guys, I can actually put my fingers through my scalp, which is a huge deal if you're natural. My natural girls know me. So yeah, this is half of my hair done, not even in 10 minutes. On to the last section. And I will be done. Obviously obviously you'll see how my hair turns out, but since this is my first time going to this hair salon, I will tie my hair so that they don't see a poofy afro. Because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes people look at your hair before they even braid it and they start complaining, or they'll be like, you've got too much hair. So I want to go there with my hair tied, so that nobody has any comments to make about my hair, that it's a lot or anything. People usually say I have a lot of hair, or they usually underestimate it, and then when they start braiding, baby, they're gonna start complaining. So I don't want any of that. I'm not saying they're going to do this, it's just from my past experience. People kind of tend to look at natural hair and think, oh, it's a lot of work, and maybe that's why I'm already just blow drying my hair by myself here at home. Forget about the whole thing of them burning my hair or whatnot, or being rough with my hair. It's just, I know what I did. I gently took care of my hair and blow dried it, and hopefully they're just gonna take me. And that's it, guys. I am done with my hair. I'm just gonna do a quick run through of all of my hair. This side is already shrunk already. Do you see the difference? Guys, natural hair is a scam. Please look. Do you see? Am I a joke? Please look at the difference. Because I'm done with this section, this one is already shrunk, and I'm not even lying. I hope you guys can see the difference. Natural hair, but you know what they say, if it shrinks then it's healthy. I'm glad that my hair is healthy. I'm just gonna do one last sweep, and then I'm gonna get going because we really are running out of time. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any more natural hair videos that you guys would like me to do, holla at your girl. I am open, more than open to do anything to my natural hair. As I said, I am a lazy natural, so if you want to see me switch up and look good, tell me. So yeah, this is it, guys. Didn't even take 20 minutes. Was seamless, very easy to use this blow dryer. I don't end up using my water and the tangling tools because, as I had mentioned, my hair was already wet because I washed it on Thursday, so I don't need to use those extra tools. I'm just gonna show you guys the shading that I got from this whole process. This is it. This is my hair shedding, which is very normal. It's not even a lot. And yeah guys, I hope to see you in my next video. I'm gonna try and jump into my vlog. I'm gonna start vlogging, hopefully. Girl, I don't know, at this point you guys will see the next content that comes up. If you see me wearing the same clothes I just told you, I'm filming this on the very same day, so what did you expect? I'm kidding. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Please share my videos, like, comment, subscribe. Guys, I love when you comment, so please let's chat it up in the comment section below. And if you're a new viewer, please subscribe. And yeah guys, bye.